Hello friends, welcome to Bootcamp. Today in this class, I'm going to tell you the class of MS Word. So first of all, I just want to start with the typing. So I'm doing here equal R, A and D. Make it open and close. By pressing enter, you will get the full paragraph. After this, I just want to do the change of this color. So we will select the paragraph and just click here on this A option. With the help of this, you can change any color, which one you like. If you want to increase the font size, then with the help of this A, you can increase, and with the help of the small a, you can decrease it. If you want, then you can also go here and also increase and decrease the size. If you want to change the font color, then just click here, by which you can change the font color. B for bold, I for italic, U for underline, and if you will do the again click on it, then it will be hidden. After this, I just want to use copy and paste. So for this, first of all, you should select it. After selecting, click here on this copy option. And after clicking on copy, just click here, press enter. And wherever you want to paste, just click here on the paste option. You just copy one time and paste many times. So like this, we have done this. Now, after this, if you want to use bullets and numbering in this paragraph, then how we will use? Let me delete all. I'm just increasing my font size and I'm taking one number. Suppose I'm taking this one. After taking this one, let me open my keyboard so that I can show you properly. I just want to mention here few questions just like MCQs. So for this, I have clicked here. I have taken one. Now I'm going to type one thing. Suppose I want to type here fruits name. After typing fruits name, I will click this enter. When I'm clicking enter, two number will automatically come, but I want to mention the sub point. So after doing enter, we will click on tab key. Now I'm typing here apple. Again, I'm pressing enter. Banana. Enter. Cherry. Enter. And I'm just mentioning here grapes. After this, I want to take number 2. So we will do 2 time enter. 1, 2. Then I just want to mention here color. As you can see, my spelling mistake is there. So what I will do the right click on it and just choose the correct spelling, as in computer color spelling is COLOR. Now I just want to mention here ABCD. So we just click here, enter. Now again tab key. Now just mention the color, enter. Yellow, green, blue. Now, if you want to take one more number, then again press 2 time enter, then 3 will come. And suppose I want to type here vegetable name. Now, again press tab key, then it will again change. So like this, if you want to take number, use 2 time enter, and for changing it, use 1 time tab key. After this, I just want to set it in a border one. So what I will do, I will select it. Now, go to the layout option, go to the column and 2. And it will come like this. One more time, I'm showing you, select it, layout, column, 2. Then it will convert it in the 2 column. Like this, you can create your MCQs. After this, the next option is saying fill color, border and all. For this, what I'm doing here, again, I'm going to take one typing. Now, after taking the typing, I just want to select it. I want to use border, click here, use all border. Then the border will be there. If I want to fill the color, I will click here and just change the color so that the color will be filled in it. If you want to keep it in the center, this is the right and this is left, by which you can choose any. If you want to give the space, suppose my typing is okay, but I want to give the line space. So this is the option of line spacing. Click on it and you can increase the line space as much as you want. Okay. Now, after this, I just want to set one image here. So what I will do, I'm selecting the paragraph. With the help of this increment, I will set it. So it will go at one side. Now, I want to put here one image. Go to shape, insert, click on shape option. Just select it and draw one shape here. And in this shape, I want to insert the image. Go to the shape fill option, picture. Now, if you have your picture, then you can take your one. Otherwise, you can take online. Suppose I'm taking one picture or video. Whatever the image you want to just take it. Suppose I'm taking this one. So my image will be there in the shape. So like this, you can set the image and the paragraph all in same margin. No need to set the margin again and again. When you will open the picture format option will be there. You can choose any type of picture design. You can change the shadow, you can change shape fill, you can change outline. That's your choice. Now, after this, I have told you all the options: copy paste, increase and decrease font, bullets and numbering, left right alignment, increment, decrement. Now, what are these? Now, let me tell you these styles. How these styles will work? First of all, you just mention the heading. Suppose my heading name is typing. Now, I just take one typing. Now, I want to keep the typing in the heading order. So, firstly, select the typing. Choose this heading. It will convert it heading. Click here for keeping it in the center. Now, select the whole paragraph. If you want no spacing, then no spacing will come. If you want spacing, strong, these are the styles. You can choose any style as I'm choosing subtitle. Now you can see it has changed automatically and my paragraph is looking much better. Now, after this, I just want to add the image. The option has done as I told you. For taking the image, I will go to the insert option. Click on the picture, online pictures. Now I'm going to take one picture of fruits. Suppose I'm taking this. Insert. Then the picture will be here. After taking this picture, wherever you want, you can set it. Right now, my picture is low. I can't move it. So what you will do, click on the picture format, go to the wrap text option, choose tight. Now you're able to move the picture wherever you want to keep it. So I just set my picture here. You can, with the help of the dots, you can make it big or you can make it small as per your need. If you want to apply the frame, you can also apply the frame. If you want the shadow, you can choose the shadow. So that's completely your choice which type of design you want. So like this, you can create. So I hope the home option is completely clear for you. I have told you from cut, copy, paste, put Italic underline from here. And also I told you how to set the shape and picture. Just do the practice with this and the rest we will do in the next class. So then take care. Bye-bye.